joins us to help us out with what he's picking up in D-Street chatter. Nimesh?
And I did not depth consolidation, so to speak, but again, it's very selective. With, there is buying happening within the PSUs as well. So again, the flows today are muted compared to what we've been seeing in the last few days. But whatever the flows are, seems to be largely in the large cap names and some select PSU stocks. So that's the overall texture in terms of flows. I guess what explains the move in Nifty in the last 30 minutes of trade is because I understand there is a small MOC basket buying as well in select Nifty names in the last 30 minutes. So maybe that's the reason why you're seeing an uptake in the Nifty as well. But the broader market tends to underperform, and that's been the trend for the last couple of days. And there's a feedback as well that maybe the shift is happening towards large caps from the broader market stock. So that trend continues. But again, today for a change, the flows are slightly muted and very limited to a few Nifty names and some PSU stocks.
Yeah, but there's this last sort of 15-minute uplift. It's making the Nifty look nice, right? We've got 2,600 on the screen, at least for now. Let's see if we can close above that. What about individual stocks, Nimesh? What's the buzz today?
Well, so I normally start with a block deal. So again, today was a large block in KPR Mills, nearly 1 crore shares, close to 3.5% equity call change hands. Again, looks like the promoter entity was a seller in today's block and a domestic mutual fund was a buyer. So disclosures would be quite interesting. The share actually has recovered from the lows after the large block. The second name is Dabur. Under pressure today, there are sell flows, is what I understand, at larger FI desk. And additionally, there was a UBS downgrade as well. While they've raised the target price, the call was to downgrade purely on back of risk on earnings going forward. The third name is Tata Steel. We've seen a bit of buying back in the metal stocks, and Tata Steel stands out. Yesterday there was a large delivery-based buying, and even today I understand there are very strong buy flows. So it looks like overall towards metals there is a bit of interest back from larger FIs, and so is the case with Tata Steel. And the last is Equinox India, the erstwhile India will real estate. After a long time, looks like some bit of bid interest is back. There are very strong buy flows and some bid interest as well at leading FI desk in Equinox India.
All right, Nimesh, thank you very much for that. So lots of blocks, lots of action. I mean, it's a hot market for all kinds of things. And Nimesh, of course, getting us a slice of what to expect. We'll keep an eye out on those names.
Thanks for tuning in to CNBC TV 18, and for more news and updates, follow us on all the social media platforms.